You're 400 kilometers above Earth when your lifeline snaps. Your oxygen reads 8 minutes. There is no up, no down, and no one can reach you in time. This is the nightmare every astronaut trains for, but prays never happens. An extravehicular activity gone wrong. One faulty clip, one micrometeorite strike, one human error, and you're adrift in the vacuum. Can you swim through space like in the movies? Can you aim your body back at the ISS, hurtling at 28,000 kilometers per hour? Can the crew launch a rescue before your suit turns into a coffin? By the end of this, you'll know the exact second you're truly doomed. Here's what happens next. First, understand the arena. You're not floating in stillness. You're in low Earth orbit, matching the ISS's velocity, 7.6 kilometers per second. A snapped tether doesn't send you plummeting, it nudges you into a slightly different path. Drift just a few meters and orbital mechanics takes over. Relative motion compounds every second. In 30 seconds, you're 10 meters away. In 5 minutes, hundreds. That's the first mistake that kills you, thinking space is empty and forgiving. It's not. The Kessler syndrome lurks. Millions of debris fragments zipping at bullet speeds. One paint fleck punches through your suit like shrapnel. And here's the second problem, worse than the first. No friction. No way to swim or push off, nothing. Newton's laws are absolute tyrants here. Without thrust, you're a leaf in a hurricane you can't feel. But perhaps survival isn't impossible. Enter SAFER, Simplified Aid for EVA Rescue. A backpack with 24 nitrogen thrusters, enough for short bursts. Best case, you're oriented, calm, and fire precisely. A few puffs correct your tumble, vector you back. You've burned 2 minutes already, 6 left. Realistic case, panic sets in. Your heart rate spikes to 180. Orientation is lost in the spin. Fuel wastes on wild corrections. Almost no one carries a full SAFER on routine EVAs anymore. Too bulky, too rare the need. But assume you have it. You fire. 1 burst forward, 1 to stabilize rotation. The ISS looms closer, or does it? One degree off, and you overshoot into the debris field. By minute 4, your thrusters are dry. Hope fades with the hiss. Pause here. If you were adrift, thrusters failing, clock ticking, what desperate move would you attempt? What physics hack or protocol might save you when all else fails? Share in the comments. The Atlas demands your ingenuity. Now, the fantasy. Hollywood shows a heroic arm reach, a last-second grab. Reality is colder. NASA protocols kick in. The crew spots your beacon, assuming it works. They can't just swing around. Repositioning the ISS burns precious fuel, risks the station's orbit. A Soyuz or Dragon capsule could detach, but prepping takes hours. By then, you're kilometers away, trajectory diverging. Physics doesn't bend for drama. The part every movie lies about: time dilation in crisis. Your 8 minutes isn't suit oxygen, full EMUs hold 7 to 8 hours. It's the decision window before drift makes return impossible. Beyond that, rescue becomes a body recovery mission. Historical near misses like Luca Parmitano's helmet flood prove it. Space doesn't forgive delays. Minute 5. Hypoxia whispers. CO2 builds, vision tunnels. You hallucinate, hands from the void, Earth's curve warping. Minute 6. Psychological fracture. Isolation crushes. Some report euphoria, others terror. Minute 7. Something unexpected. Your suit's scrubbers overload, but adrenaline sharpens focus one last time. You fire a final, futile burst. Miss. At around minute 8, the math seals it. You're not just lost, you're on a decaying orbit, destined to burn up in weeks or wander forever. So how long until you're truly lost forever? The answer is much sooner than your oxygen runs out. The second your tether snaps, if physics isn't on your side. Space is not an adventure. It is an equation where humanity is the variable. One snap, and the cosmos reminds us. We are fragile specks, borrowing moments against eternity. Survival demands perfection, or oblivion claims you. I am the cartographer, and this is the Atlas.